Do you know what cells are and the difference between eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells? That's a thought-provoking question. Cells are the fundamental units of life, the bricks and mortar from which all living organisms are built. They come in two main types, eukaryotic and prokaryotic. Dive into the world of prokaryotic cells first. They're the simplest form of cells, often found in bacteria and archaea. Unlike eukaryotic cells, they do not have a nucleus or any other membrane-bound organelles. Instead, their genetic material is freely floating within the cell. They are the most primitive form of life, capable of thriving in a variety of environments, including extreme conditions. Next up, eukaryotic cells, which are more complex and include all animal and plant cells. These cells have a nucleus, which houses their genetic material, and various other specialized organelles, each surrounded by a membrane. These organelles perform specific functions necessary for the cell to function efficiently. Examples include mitochondria for energy production, lysosomes for waste disposal, and the endoplasmic reticulum for protein synthesis. Now, let's discuss the differences between these two types of cells. The most apparent difference lies in their structure. Prokaryotic cells are smaller and simpler, while eukaryotic cells are larger and more complex. This complexity in eukaryotic cells allows for compartmentalization, which enables them to carry out specialized functions in different areas of the cell. Additionally, eukaryotic cells have a true nucleus, which contains their DNA, while the DNA in prokaryotic cells is not enclosed within a membrane. In terms of examples, prokaryotic cells are typically found in bacteria and archaea, while eukaryotic cells make up all other forms of life, including plants, animals, and fungi. Finally, these differences greatly impact the functions and behaviors of living organisms. The simplicity of prokaryotic cells allows them to multiply quickly and adapt to harsh environments. On the other hand, the complexity of eukaryotic cells enables multicellular organisms to have specialized cells performing different functions, leading to the development of complex organisms like humans. In summary, understanding the differences between eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells provides fundamental insights into the complexity and diversity of life. So, the next time you marvel at the intricacy of a living organism or the adaptability of bacteria, remember the fantastic world of cells that makes this diversity possible.